This video will demonstrate how to add a new waiter or cashier profile to Pilot PAS. Select the Manager menu in PAS. Select Files, then Staff and Waiters, and Authorize. The Waiter Details window will now open. Here we can view the summary details of each existing profile. Firstly, we note the waiter number. When creating a new waiter, you will need to go through the current list and select a number not currently in use. We also note white profiles and yellow profiles. Yellow profiles refer to supervisors or management. Yellow profiles indicate profiles with supervisor rights within our team. To create a new profile, choose a waiter number and select Add. Enter the chosen number. We can then choose to enter a PIN password for this profile. This is only one way of logging into your profile securely. There are 3 ways to log into your profile: through fingerprint identification, the most secure way, through PIN password entered here, or through using your waiter number. This last method of logging in carries the most risk and is dependent on whether the station is locked or not. Enter your profile name, surname, and any other preferred details. If including a section under the details here, this will enable the system to group the profiles together under each section, allowing you to view total sales recorded per section in the Waiter Commission report. Sections can include waiters, barmen, and management. When selecting RSA ID, the system will prompt you for a legitimate 13-digit ID number. If the employee does not know their ID number or is a foreigner, do not tick the box and you will be allowed to enter any digits or letters within this field. If you are planning to use Pilot to track any staff loans or additionally would prefer the system to block any waiters from opening a table without first logging into their in-time profile, you would also be required to enter an ID number here. The last 2 tick boxes indicate if this employee will be delivering or collecting orders when referring to our delivery functionality, or if they are a supervisor. In other words, changing their profile from white to yellow. If they are a supervisor, you will also need to create a user profile for them and give them the necessary access to do what they need to do. Please refer to our user profile tutorial if you are unsure how to proceed further with adding a supervisor profile. Once done, you can also select to register their fingerprint, our preferred and most secure method of logging in. An existing manager will need to authorize the new fingerprint being registered. To do this, select Register. The employee will then place their fingerprint 5 times and remove it as needed until the registration is successful. If the employee is a supervisor, this will also need to be authorized through an existing manager. When done, select OK. Your new profile will then be active and ready for use. You can now start ringing up orders by putting down your fingerprint and completing the table add window selections. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest changes and features.